Welcome back to Switcher Studio, and I want to talk about one of the dirtiest words we all know: algorithm. Trying to game all the various social media algorithms can be a nightmare. And when it comes down to it, you just want to produce video content for the audience you've built or are trying to build, and own that content to monetize yourself. But there is a solution here, a way to bring your audience to you instead of relying on social media platforms. And if you have a website for you or your business, you're already halfway to having your own live streaming platform. The problem with social media platforms is live streaming in general relies heavily on what platform you're live streaming to, and there are a lot. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, all of these behave differently, have things you can or can't do, and have completely different user bases. And if you want to change platforms, you have to start over completely from scratch on the new one. But when you build an audience, they follow you for a reason. They like your content, and they don't care where they're watching as long as they're getting more of you or your business or whatever reason they're following you for. So instead of stretching yourself thin and trying to meet all of your viewers on all the social medias they may be, bring them to you instead by live streaming to your own website. But how do you do that? Well, it's a lot more simple than you think. But first, let's talk about why you should be live streaming to your website in the first place. If you're already relying heavily on your website for your content or business, bringing in that last piece of the puzzle that is your live video turns your website into a one-stop shop for you or your business. You of course should still be using social media for promotion and advertising and teasing your content, but taking your live video to your website is just one more incentive to reel your audience in there. And once you have your audience on your website, you've brought them to the core of your business. And whether you sell products or write articles, or maybe you're even a house of worship, viewers watching live streams on your website will be able to directly interact with your business, creating a cohesive experience for your audience and potential customers. The question is, if you move your live streams to your website, will your audience follow you there? The simple answer is yes. Again, the audience you've built is there for you and your business. And if your website is where they'll find it, that's where they'll go. This is an opportunity to create exclusive experiences and a dedicated community. Use social media to let your audience know that your website is the place to be, and it's where they're going to get the best experience with you and your business. Not only will they follow, but you're creating a better experience than what they would have on social media. You can also create a sense of urgency with your audience that if they don't catch it live on your website, they may never get the chance to, increasing your viewers, which increases your website traffic, which boosts your business no matter what it is. Now, getting your live streams onto your website might sound difficult, but it's actually the easiest part. All you need is Switcher Studio's tool, the Switcher Player. The Switcher Player is simple but highly effective. With it, you can embed live streams onto almost any web page that you own, or stream to a unique URL that the Switcher Player provides. All you have to do is grab the embed code provided by the Switcher Player, then plug it into almost any website builder. Then, when you live stream with Switcher Studio, just select the Switcher Player as your destination. And voila! Your current or latest live stream appears right where you placed it on your website. There's even some great interactive elements for your viewers, like including Venmo, PayPal, or other donation links, or any other URL you may want people to know about, so you can own your content and monetize it yourself. It's all customizable to tailor your audience's experience exactly the way you want. It's seriously that easy. And if you do still want to stream to Facebook or YouTube or other social media platforms, Switcher Studio lets you multi-stream to those destinations and the Switcher Player at the same time. To recap, you don't have to bend to the will of social media platforms. Instead, you can turn your website for you or your business into your platform. It's good for you, it's good for business, and most importantly, it's a great experience for your viewers. It's as simple as embedding your live video on your website, and the Switcher Player is the best way to do that. The Switcher Player is available with Switcher Studio's business plan, which also gets you other exclusive features. So visit switcherstudio.com/pricing to subscribe to the business plan and learn more about the Switcher Player. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on video, and be sure to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.